To change this size, so I go up to my percentage and I have options that are, already preset for me, or I can put in the size that I want. Say I want it to go up to 45%. Now again, here's another link, the button that's turned on. Because I put in this number here, because the button is turned on to link the two measurements, all I have to do is click in there and it'll do 45%. You can see that's very large though. The hairline is coming out across and down. It's far bigger than the image itself. So let's go back up to the percentage and I'll do 15%. Again, the link box is clicked on. I'm just going to do this. You can see now that this brown hairline is getting smaller. Now that said, I can take one of the anchors and bring it in back to the original size. You can see too, I can stretch it. I can do many things. If I go and hit shift, it does it proportionately. I can also click on this and then shift option command and then the not the plus, but the more than or less than arrows at the bottom of your keyboard. The more than arrow to the right or the less than arrow to the left, you can use the keyboard to change the size, and then you can go with the mouse and bring, compose the image a little bit more. And here, now that I've already established I have two images, or I want to have two images, I have one image and then I made a copy of it. I wanted the same size for both, so that's why I copied and pasted the first one. So now I can click on this image, go to the direct selection tool, click on it so it selects the content, and now I can go and place again, and it will place a new image inside the box. Without having to recreate the actual box itself, it'll place the new image once I select it with the direct selection tool and then go up under File and Place again. So you can make things quickly uniform within your layout. The next thing I want to talk about is text. So we're going to go to the Type tool, and we're just going to click, hold down the mouse, hold it down on your desk or whatever you have your mouse pad, and drag it out. And I want to make mine, the similar size to what I have here with these two images. So I can go and put fake text in here for now, just as a placeholder, or you can have a paragraph, you can just type in yourself, typing text. Okay, so it comes with this default font, Minion Pro, regular. That's fine, but this is where you can get creative with type, and you can choose from many, many different typefaces. You can search for them on the web, you can buy them, there are a lot that are downloadable for free. But it's a good idea to experiment with your type and with all of the typefaces that are out there and see what works well together. But for here, I want you to take a look at the control panel for the text options. So your typefaces, if you click on that arrow down, the ones that you've used most often stay up towards the top. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So they usually give you 6 or 7 typefaces that you've used in the past day or so. But as you hold your mouse down and scroll down, you can see that there are close to endless typefaces. Some of them are in different languages, so depending on what you're trying to type, you have those options as well. A lot of symbols. So if you also look here, it gives you the name of the typeface, a sample of what that typeface looks like, and then the type of typeface it is. There are true typefaces, and then there are open file typefaces. So we were going to choose this one here, and you can see that the text has changed the typeface.